Hi friends, welcome to SGK English for a new video. Today let us learn some auxiliary verbs. Actually it is a part of 10th class textual grammar AP unit 4. Okay, I know that many of you may know it, but auxiliary verbs are very essential in learning a language while talking. Is it not so? When you talk, when you ask permission, when you give permission, these auxiliaries are a must. You should know it. Okay, let us learn some or let us revise some. Before beginning the lesson, let me request you to subscribe if you have not and support me by giving me a like and enable the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, thank you. Let us come to the lesson. See, when you go to an office, at the doorstep, what will you ask? Can I come in, sir? Can I come in? Can I come in? Yes, asking permission. Okay, then someone from inside may say, yes, you can. You can. You are permitted to come. Giving permission. You are asking something very politely. Could you come with me? Could you come with me? Can is more polite. Sorry, could is more polite than can. Okay, now can with somewhat equals or a gentleman's method of asking something. Asking something. Not a polite request. Asking something. Can I come in? Asking something. Whereas could you kindly give me? Would you kindly allow me? So would, could, all those things are more polite than can, you see, etc. and etc. Shall, will, you see, will you allow me? You see, will you allow me? Shall I come with you? They are all direct asking permission. Okay, whereas would, could, etc. they are more polite. Okay, so express something politely, asking permission. Above all, making a question that can, would, should, may, etc. are used. They are actually modal auxiliaries. They are called, what are they called? Modal auxiliaries. Okay, so auxiliary verb means what? Auxiliary simply means helping verbs. Whom do they help? They help regular verb. What does it mean? Regular means a finite verb. What is finite verb? Having V1, V2, V3. Regular verb is what? Finite, F-I-N-I-T. Finite verb. Finite means having V1, V2, V3. Go, went, gone. Eat, ate, eaten. Drink, drank, drunk. They're all finite verbs. So to help. So auxiliary means what? Helping verbs. Auxiliaries are, what are they? Helping verbs. Helping the finite verb in order to form a tense, voice. See, tense, you find present continuous. He is going. He is auxiliary. Going is a verb there. Okay, now. He will go. Will is auxiliary, modal auxiliary. Okay. So they are helping verbs to form tense, voice, passive voice, B plus V3. Okay, now. A book has been given to me. She has given me a book. He eats a mango, he is eaten. Okay, so it is used for making voice, passive voice, etc. Helping verbs to help the regular verb or finite verb in forming tense, voice, mood, etc. Okay, na? They are auxiliary verbs. So auxiliaries are of two types. Primary auxiliaries, they are three: be, do, and have. Be means you know, means are, was, were. Do means do, does, did. Okay. Then have means have, had. Okay. So these three are primary auxiliaries. The difference is that primary auxiliaries can be used as a finite as well as auxiliary verb. They can be used as a finite as well as auxiliary verb. For example, you see, did you do the exercises? Did you do? Is it not so? You see? Did you do? Did is auxiliary, do is finite. How do you do? Yes, it can be used as auxiliary as well as finite. Yes, I did my exercise. Did you do the exercises? Yes, I did my exercises. See, when did you do? Okay, yesterday or today, no problem. So primaries can be used as a finite verb as well as auxiliary verb. Yes, now comes modal auxiliaries. What is modal auxiliary? Modal auxiliary or modals describe the mode or manner of the verbs that follow them. For example, he can come now means he is permitted to come. He may come, possibility is there, he may or may not be also. He must come, he must. See, according to the change of this modal auxiliary, the mode or manner changes. He may come, he need to come, he need not come, he must come, he must not come, he can come. So according to the change of the modal auxiliary, the mode or manner of the verbs that follow them. See, he can come, for example. In what way he should come? He can come, he may come, he must come. The mode of the verbs that follow them. You see, the mode is changing according to the modal auxiliary. So they express ideas like possibility, permission, polite request, etc. and etc. See, what you ought to do, ought to means what? What you are supposed to do. See, what is your duty? You ought to respect your parents. What you are supposed to do. What you are expected to do. So many uses are there. See, in your textbook, it is given there in detail. Some use only are given, more use are there. For example, all these things are used for making questions, auxiliary questions. You know, questions are two types, auxiliary questions and question word questions. These auxiliaries are used to make primarily to make questions. Can I come in? Asking permission. Can I come in, please? Is it also asking permission? Giving permission. You can come in. Yes, you can. Giving permission. So, possibility, permission, polite request, etc. See, mode or manner of the verbs that follow them. Modal auxiliaries or modals describe the mode or manner of the verbs that follow them. Is it clear to you? Mode or manner of the verbs that follow them. They express ideas like possibility, permission, polite request, etc. and etc. The chief modal auxiliaries are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, ought, dare, used to. Many are there. The chief modal auxiliaries are these. Okay, now each of them have separate special usages. You have to study them if you want to know in detail. Otherwise, just have an idea about these things. So what I said is there are two types of auxiliaries, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries describe the mode or manner of the verbs that follow them. Mode or manner. In what way? Of the verbs that follow them. See, he can come, he may come, he might come, he must come, he shall come, he will come. According to the change of the modal auxiliary, the mode or manner changes. In what mode, what manner he must come. Is it must, need not, need to come, or he can come, he may come, it changes. That is called modal auxiliaries. So they express ideas like possibility, permission, polite request, etc. and etc. I hope it is clear to you. See, take the textbook, it is given there in detail. Shall, obligation, means what you are supposed to do. Then offer, say I am offering, shall I come with, I shall come with you, means I am offering that. Okay, future simple also. Order, see, you shall, means you must. See, when the you shall comes, generally first person shall, second and third persons will. Future simple, you studied now. Any doubt regarding any of these things, you refer SGK English, all these grammar items are there. Is your reference book, all these things are there, separate videos. The use of can separately, it is there. You see, you can find all these things separate videos. No need now. See, what is that? Order. See, second person will, but if used the other way, first person will, second and third person shall, it shows must or certainty. That is called emphatic future. That is studying future tense, in grammar, elementary English grammar. So that is what order. Suggestion also, you see, giving a suggestion. Okay, then should, obligation. Should is very often used. Students should bring the hall tickets. Means, if you want to write the exam, you must bring. What you are supposed to do, what you are expected to do. Okay, or advice also. You should start at 5 o'clock. The flight is at 6:30. Means you must, advising. Should is given for advice. There is a separate topic. When should is used, when hard better is used for giving advice. Giving advice. Okay, now should is very often used. Separate videos there. Okay, if you are interested, you watch it, please. Can, ability, possibility, permission. We have already discussed. Okay, could, request, suggestion, permission, possibility, and ability. Will, certainty. Will means I will. Does not bring that much must nowadays. But strictly grammatically, first person shall, second and third person persons will. If used the other way, it is called emphatic future. There it is what is it? Certainty. It shows must or certainty. Okay, intention, futurity, purpose. Future means in future. I will. He will, etc. and etc. See, shall, will, in strict grammar the rule is there, but nowadays not much difference between I shall and I will in language, not in grammar. Okay, would, offer, preference, I would rather, I would prefer. See, past habit. See, past habit is very important. I can means I am able to. He can means he is able to. He could means he was able to. See, can and could. He is able to and was able to. See, I could walk 10 miles a day when I was a student. When I were in your age. See, impossible things always, I was not, I were. If I were you. Okay, now. Could means was able to, can means is able to or am able to. Okay, that's what? Past habit, future of the past, that is in reporter speech. He will go, he would go. Okay, that is the future of the past. That is, it comes in reporter speech, indirect speech. May also permission, possibility, wish. See, may God bless you, wish. A possibility, he may come. There is a possibility. Permission, hey, you may go please. Okay, might also, might is remote possibility. See, may is possibility, might is a remote, means far away possibility, a very, very rare chance. He may come tomorrow. He might come, means there is a little chance, very little chance. See, may means possibility, might means a remote possibility. Okay, must means compulsion, you must do that. Inference, see, means coming to the conclusion from the available, proofs and evidences. We are inferring something from the available proofs or evidence or available things that are, available source that are possible. Okay, so these are the main use of auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching. Meet you with another video. Goodbye.